we're at the Hydrogen Technology Expo in Hamburg. I'm Naomi from Hydrogen Standard, and we're going to be speaking to Florian from Teledyne FLIR. So Florian, do you want to start by telling us a little bit more about what is FLIR and what do you do?
Yeah, FLIR is a market leader in thermal imaging with a very strong position in different verticals and all kinds of industries. For some years, FLIR is offering as well an acoustic solution for predictive maintenance, and developed and produced in Finland, called the Si2 series. SI stands for Sound Imager, means we make noise visible. This is the first time we talk in public about our newest product, the Si2x.
That's really exciting. So can you tell us a little bit more about acoustic imaging?
Yeah, sure. Acoustic imaging detects issues inaudible to the human ear based on the sound they emit. Our Si2 series can find pressurized leaks like air, methane, hydrogen, nitrogen, and natural gas, even in a very noisy environment. And our AI-trained analytics and auto-filter functionality makes it super fast and accurate, and is a contract-free solution for identifying and addressing issues before they become critical.
Okay, that's great. So if I was in the field using a camera, how does that work?
During the survey with a camera, you take snapshots of the leaks, comment the location where you have found them, and or you can scan a QR code as well of the asset, which makes it more convenient in documenting the leak. After that, you can transfer all captured images itself, like the video, the sound pressure level, the leak size, distance, etc., to your digital ecosystem in the company, and then you can create a report and process the data for seeing trends or setting priorities for fixing the leaks.
That's great. So can you give me one or two examples of how the technology is typically used?
Yeah, for example, hydrogen production. There in an explosive atmosphere, you have lots of fume from processes. Tens of thousands of pipe connections are there, which possibly they are transporting lead, toxic and explosive gases, which can injure or cause fires. And the Si2x will help you to find potential leaks quickly without intense user training, to make it very easy, and you can take immediate action to prevent catastrophic failures.
So can you talk to me a bit more about some of the advantages of using the technology for the users that you have?
Yeah, with acoustic imaging, you can easily detect leaks from a distance. You get a leak size estimation and a cost estimation. The user is able to filter very quickly and see the potential leaks without many handling on screen. And you can document it easy, and it speeds up the all-over inspection. But the camera cannot only show leaks. We can detect as well mechanical faults on rollers and bearings, and as well partial discharge like corona, surface or floating discharge in mid-voltage and high-voltage assets in the power utilities. So it's a really competitive device for multi-use in different industries and verticals.
And what types of certificate will be available?
The camera will be available with an ATEX certificate by launch, and later on in April next year we will have the IEC EX certificate for the international market available, and the camera is third-party tested, means the full 3-page certificate will be available on FLIR.com.
Thank you so much. It was lovely speaking with you.
Yeah, thanks for having me, and have a great day.